We're here at Florida Technical College visiting the Barber students, and they're gonna show us their favorite haircuts and styles. Let's go check it out.
My name is Keely Wolf. I am in Block 3 out of 4 for the Master Barbering program at FTC. My favorite haircut or hairstyle is a combination between a gentleman's cut or a styled pompadour. My advice for anyone who wants to join barbering school is that you have to come in with a passion that's gonna stay. Don't come in going, oh, well, it's something, you know? You have to come in knowing that this is something that you're interested in, and you have to be willing to put the work in.
So my name is Steven. I'm in advanced barbering program here in FTC. I'm on the 4th block, so I only have about a month left of school. So I'm excited about that. My advice for anyone wanting to join barber school is just make sure you have a passion for it. It takes time, a lot of commitment. I thought I was off and on during this whole process, but getting into the groove of things. But if you have a passion for it, go for it.
My name is Julian Pagang. I became a barber because the money, and I always got a smile on my face once I'm cutting. So my advice for anyone that want to start barbering, I would say to do is good money. Talk to people, meet new people. Experience are good. You never know who you're gonna meet by cutting hair.
My name is Damian Cardi, FTC Master Barbering program. My advice for anyone looking to get into the barbering industry or starting barbering school is to first, I think it's prudent to do a bit of research. Speak to people who are already in the industry. You definitely want to know exactly what you're looking to accomplish. If you want to become a barber, if you want to become an owner, if you want to become like Julian here, he likes to do coloring. I think it's important to find what you like and then pursue it. FTC offers a range of coursework and hands-on work that will suit anyone looking to get into the barbering industry.